And it's seal day. Patio's been nice and cleaned, all that's been done. So we're using the Joint It Premium Seal. So 2 coats of this stuff. So I've been having a little Google on it. Takes about 15 to 20 minutes to dry for the first coat. Don't let the first coat dry, still got to be a bit tacky for the second coat. Joint It Dynamic in black. That shall be interesting. Not used it before, not been sponsored or anything, bought it myself, so it's up to me. But I just want to try something different. It's always good to try something different. Put the roller in and let it soak into it. And just get it completely saturated. I'll do a 1 tile's width at a time. But I'm going to go back over it now, and I'm actually going to go this way. Now it's time to get the black stuff on it. Right, have a listen to how squeaky clean the floor is. That's all sealed nicely. So you've got 2 lots of sealer on here in preparation for the dynamic. Let's open it up and I'll actually show you what it looks like first, shall we? So inside we got 2 bottles, part B, part A. So these are both got to be put in, and 2 litres of water after that. And each one of these bottles is a litre. So pour this stuff in, fill it up with water, give it a shake, pour that in, then give it a good mix. Basically black sand. That's if you're having black, that is. There is 2 other colours, fawn and grey. I do have samples for them. So that's the grey. So the good thing with this grey as well, it's not a mixture of dark and a lighter colour blended together to get a grey. This is plain grey. And then you got the fawn, aka buff. That looks cool as well. And this is what we're going to be doing today. That is the black. We're going to need a jointer, which I'm going to push it into it. And I'm also going to use this because I need to push it further into the joint. All right, I'll do these one at a time. All right. Looks like oil. Looks like oil for your car. Right, part A. And that just looks like regular glue. Or resin, I should say. Right, let's add one of these now. This is a litre of water. Right, let's do this another 2 to 3 minutes. Another 2 litres of water. For the initial part, you can go straight with the joints. It's only after, when you're cleaning it off, that you go 45 degrees. And force it into the joint whilst you're doing it. And instantly, I'm already liking it, because I know if this was a slurry joint, it would be everywhere. But it's still, the patio looks like it should look like. Not covered in liquid cement. Right, now I'm going to push it in with this. Actually, it's gone down quite far already. Right, let's top it up. Right, now I want to go 45. So we're at this stage now. I've got to use a stiffer brush because it's going off a bit. 45 degrees, remember? Might be a little bit tacky for a day or two, apparently, so the website says, but that'll go shortly, not long. 30 days to cure. I've tried it at the moment. I'll give you a close-up in a minute. It's pretty much, it's firm to touch already, still a bit sticky, but otherwise, I actually quite liked it. Right, I'll give you a close-up. Yeah, the customer likes it. He said it looks very black, which it is. Yeah, panned out well. I like it. The end. Goodbye.